The 2016 Pagani Huayra Tempesta. Pagani has been known to create some pretty wild vehicles. I mean, look at models like the Zonda Revolucion and the Huayra BC, for example. They are clearly two of the wildest machines created, but now Pagani is stepping things up for the Huayra coupe with a new package. Dubbed the Pacchetto Tempesta, the kit is offered as an option on new Huayra models or as a retrofit for those of you who already own a Huayra. This new package comes with aerodynamic enhancements as well as a few other upgrades that will help improve the car's handling and driving characteristics. According to Pagani, the kit provides more responsive behavior, and reduced body roll and pitch, providing a sporty yet comfortable driving experience. The real shocker about the whole Pacchetto Tempesta package is the invoice that comes with it. With a price tag of €160,000, or about $182,480 at current conversion rates. So, for the price of this upgrade kit, you could get yourself a new McLaren 540C or even a new Porsche 911. So, with a price that high, let's take a good look at the kit and see what makes it worth that much money. Updated August 23, 2017, we added a series of images taken during the car's auction at the 2017 Monterey Car Week where it was sold for $2,420,000. Continue reading to learn more about the Pagani Huayra Tempesta. What makes the Pagani Huayra Tempesta special? Up front, you can clearly notice the spoiler that now extends several inches off of the front end. So, for a price upward of $200,000, it should come as no surprise that the package includes an aerodynamically optimized underbody, as well as a new front spoiler and rear diffuser, both of which are now more aggressive than ever. Up front, you can clearly notice the spoiler that now extends several inches off of the front end. In the rear, the diffuser now sports 4 individual air channels, providing a look of depth to the rear end. With the new splitter and diffuser, plus the new underbody, the Huayra now gets superior airflow under the chassis, improving handling significantly. This package was developed in collaboration with Dallara, which happens to know a bit about car handling, so it should come as no surprise that the kit includes a revised suspension system. Due to the downforce created by the new aerodynamic enhancements, it became necessary to add in new 4-way adjustable Öhlins shocks. As always, they were designed exclusively for the Huayra. Furthermore, the car gets a new set of shoes that measure 21 inches in the rear and 20 inches up front and are wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires. The wheels are larger and lighter than the stock offering and feature a 10-spoke design that is new to the Huayra line. Pagani hasn't indicated whether or not this $180,000 package includes any engine upgrades. Pagani hasn't indicated whether or not this $180,000 package includes any engine upgrades, but with a Mercedes-sourced 6.0-liter V12, the car already has 730 horsepower and 737 pound-feet of torque, so we can't really complain much there. Besides, the package does include a new, hand-welded exhaust system that weighs just shy of 15.5 pounds, that in itself is a weight savings of a little over 6.6 pounds. The system is said to give off an exclusive sound that can be enjoyed by the occupants as well as by those who hear the sound of the twin-turbo V12 AMG from outside. So, now that you know what comes as a part of this new package, do you think it is worth shelling out $180,000? I guess it really all depends on who you are and how you value things in life. It seems like such a package, especially one that doesn't promise any improvement in power output, shouldn't come at such a high cost. Then again, we're talking about the Pagani Huayra. At least current owners can get better handling out of the cars they already own for a fraction of what it would cost step up to the Huayra BC. When you think of it that way, it isn't all that bad. Pagani Huayra BC. The Pagani Huayra started out as Project C9, and it was designed to be the next Pagani that would come after the long-running Zonda. The main focus of the car was to create something that was focused on power delivery. Pagani wanted something that would offer linear power without lag and, as it turned out, longtime engine supplier Mercedes had just the engine, a 730 horsepower V12. The Huayra was sold alongside the Zonda for a short period of time, but eventually led the way to the creation of the bonkers Huayra BC, a more extreme version of the Huayra that offers up 50 more horsepower and better handling. Now, with the BC on the market, it's only a matter of time before the Pagani drops a topless version of the BC. Read our full review on the Pagani Huayra BC. References. Read our full review on the Pagani Huayra. Read our full review on the Pagani Huayra BC.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.